Hi! Welcome to today's video. Today we are talking about marriage. So let's start thinking about this. What are important things to discuss before getting married? Why? Please pause the video and write a few ideas. Okay, we're going to share in class. Now, I want you to please pause the video and complete the sentences using the expressions in the box. Please notice that there is one extra expression. Okay, let's go ahead and check. Number 1, stop and think. Number 2, slowly but surely. 3, pick and choose. 4, give and take. 5, sooner or later. And finally, number 6, success or failure. Did you have the same? Excellent. Now, let's go ahead and continue. We're going to listen to an audio, and I want you to please put the topics in the order that they are mentioned. Let's listen.
Page 76. Lesson B. Questions to ask. 1. Vocabulary and context. A. What issues do you think couples should discuss and agree on before they get married? Make a list. Then read the article. Which of your ideas are mentioned? Getting married? Don't just wait and see what happens.
So, you've met the man or woman of your dreams and decided to become husband and wife. You're probably sick and tired of reading the divorce statistics, but they're not encouraging. In many Western countries, around 40% of marriages end in divorce. Why divorce rates are so high is not clear, but what many couples fail to do is to discuss the important issues before the wedding. So, stop and think now. You'll save yourself time and energy and maybe avoid a lot of pain and suffering. Money. Is how you spend money a problem right now? When you're married, it will likely become a problem sooner or later. Agree now on how much you will spend. For example, on rent, vacations, entertainment, etc., and what your financial goals are. Do you know if you'll keep separate bank accounts? Work. How many hours a week you work can be an issue. Tell each other now if you intend to work above and beyond a normal work week. Otherwise, slowly but surely, those long hours will cause resentment. Discuss whether or not you would both move to another city because of work. How would you feel were your partner to work away from home and commute back and forth on weekends? Conflicts. Every relationship has its ups and downs, but in this day and age, marriage is all about give and take. How you resolve differences can be critical and may predict the success or failure of a marriage. Can you agree without arguing how often your in-laws can visit? You can't always pick and choose where you live and work, but can you compromise should you have different views?
Okay, so let's check. Number 1 was divorce rates. Number 2, discussing important issues. 3, spending money. Number 4, long work weeks. 5, resolving differences. And number 6, compromising. Did you get this right? Excellent. Now, let's go to student book page 76. Please read the article and think about what the words in bold have in common. Okay, now that you finish reading, if you notice, all of these are expressions that have some kind of linker, whether it is and, but, or. Now, these expressions are very common when we speak in English, so let's see a little bit more about them. First, let's work on exercise B, still in the workbook page 76. We're going to complete the expressions with words from the article. Let's do the first one. I know that divorce causes a lot of pain and suffering, but it takes a lot of time and energy to discuss these questions too. I think you should just get married if you want to, and then wait and see what happens. Pause the video while you work on the rest. Okay, let's see. Number 2, you should have stop and think, above and beyond. In 3, sooner or later, husband and wife. Number 4, ups and downs. Pick and choose. Number 5, give and take. Slowly but surely. 6, in this day and age, I'm sick and tired. And number 7, live and work, travel back and forth. Did you get this right? Excellent. Now, you will use these expressions for the next activity, which is exercise C. We need to complete this chart using the expressions, depending on what linker they use. Do they use and, but, or? For example, we have the first one, wait and see. Another example could be pain and suffering. Now pause the video while you work on the rest, please. Great. We're going to check this during our lesson. I will see you then. Bye-bye.